everyone, my name is Mathieu Deloum. I'm the head of the art department in SABS. Today I'm very happy to introduce the primary art exhibition. As you can see, this is made only by the primary students. So the G1 and G2, they made the birds, and you can see G2, G3, they made the leaves, and after the G4 and the G5, they all made the composition of it all together. So it's very interesting because all the students made it together. So from the G1 to the G5, they made different kind of artworks and then collaborate to make a big one all together. As you can see here, they also made flowers. As you can see, it's G1 and G2 students. They are very small, but they can do like a very nice job. They will do one for each student, and after we just put it all together.